Hello friends, you can see the time on the screen that it is 11:49 now. Okay, on the left, top of the left column. Okay, left side. Bajaj Finance. Okay, so we have Bajaj Finance. Okay, so we got entry in this candle, which is the 11:45 candle. We got entry in this at 852.5. Okay, so we have SL at 850.50. So we are looking for the long direction trade in this. Okay, we'll see what happens. So 851.5 is the important level. Actually, price has to take the support from here only. So we got entry in this at 852.50, and we have a sell at 850.5. Okay. I was not able to record in my system, so I am recording with my mobile. We'll see what happens. Okay. Hello friends, you can see the time is around 1:12 now, 7th April. Okay. So Bajaj Finance, we had bought around 11:45 in this candle. Okay, at 582.5 with a sell of 850.5. What happened is that it was supposed to move from here by taking the support at 851.5 here. Okay, so this 851.5 was the support, or it should have moved from here. Okay, it did try to move from here, but what happened is that it has the resistance level around this level, which is 859 to 857. Okay, so here in this area, so you could see in the morning also it has taken the resistance from there. Actually, I waited for the trade to take for the longer time because Nifty had not given any clarity in this direction. You guys can see. Nifty was trying to take the support from here, which is at $22,000 for 470. Okay, so here you could see that it had tried to move in the up direction from here also, and also when it came back on this day, 2nd April, from here also it had tried to move in the up direction. So recently in yesterday's session, it has broken the latest swing high. Okay, so this action tells us that okay, Nifty may be trying to move in the up direction, but we had an important level which is around 23,000. Okay, above that there's a resistance zone which is between 23 to 23,020. Okay, so if Nifty had to move in the up direction to continue its trend, it was supposed to move above 23,000. Okay, so 23,020. So it had to break this red zone. Okay, so then only it would have expected it to continue to trade in the up direction. But this one 22,955. So it's one of the important level. Okay, you could see price had to break this level. Price had opened gap down and also had opened gap up. Okay, so this was the reaction when price had come to this level, which is 22,955. So today I just expected it to move above 23,000, or if it had to continue in the up direction. So otherwise it had to take the support from this one, 82,850. Okay, so which was here. It is the yesterday's support zone. Okay, so this is the yesterday's latest support. Okay, so price was supposed to open above this one, which is 22,843. Okay, so it had to open above it and had to take the support and quickly had to move. Okay, but that did not happen. It just opened below. Since it opened below, I expected it to take the resistance in this zone and continue to fall. Here what happened is that after opening, you could see after opening it did try to take the resistance, and also it has formed the resistance. Okay, so I expected it to make new intraday low, and then it would have. Okay, so after forming the resistance here, okay, in these candles, it had to make the new intraday low, and then it would have continued to trade in the down direction, or at least it should have taken the resistance. Okay, so after hitting the 22,900 here, so once it breaks the this one 843, so in this candle, so price had to break this candle also. This is 940 candle low, and then at least this should have given some kind of clarity that okay, maybe it will try to move in the down direction. Then you could have tried to take the trade in the stocks which are trying to move in the down direction. but here instead it moved above and had hit the important level, which is 22,955. So, so with this action, there was no clarity in the market. Okay, so that's why I just waited for it to give some clarity, because it has opened weak and but trying to move in the up direction, but still it is below the important levels and also resistance level. Okay, below resistance levels. So that's why I just waited for some clarity. Okay, so at least after hitting 955 here. Okay, so around 1015, 2020. Okay, 1045 also. So when it came back to this 843 level, so what was I expecting is that okay, anyhow it had opened weak. So if we get reject here, okay, which is at 22,900 from this red line. Okay, so if it had rejected there from there and fallen below 843 here. Okay, so after 11:15 candle, so if it had fallen below 843, okay, in 11:20th candle, then I would have considered okay, Nifty may try to fall, because since the trend already is in the down direction. Okay, so that is what I was expecting, but instead it just broke out the level and again try to break the 22,955 level, which is the important level, that blue line. Okay, with this confirmation, okay, so around 11:30, 11:35, okay, I expected okay, market may be trying to move in the up direction. So let's see if we have any stocks which can give the trade in the up direction. So with that we got Bajajfinance. Okay, so could see Bajajfinance was trying to move in the up direction. Okay, so from so 851 was the important level. Okay, and if it had to move in the up direction by breaking out the resistance was at 857 to 859. Okay, so in case if there are strong buyers, so maybe it would have opened above that level, which is 859, or it would have broken it in the opening itself. Okay, but it just opened below important level, which is 851, but they try to break the resistance. Okay, you could see. So even though you opening below 851, okay, this the it just goes and hit the resistance. Okay, this one 859 and 857 zone. Okay, so it has shown the intention to move in the up direction. Okay. So anyhow, it got the resistance from there and fell below this important level, which is 851. So once it comes below this 851, it was not supposed to move above 851.5 again. Okay, uh, if it had to fall, it should have taken the resistance from 851 and then it should have fallen from there. Okay, so instead it just moved above 851. Okay, 851.5, and there we could see in this candle 11:50 candle, it broke with the volume, and there it started to get the support. Okay, from 851, you could see the rejection here. Okay. So with this action, just I waited. If we had the if this candle had the small length, okay, if it had broken more from 849, we could have kept the SL below that candle and we would have directly taken the entry at 851.5. But since our SL is at 846, so I just waited for the any support to place the SL. Okay, so you could see in this candle there was volume in this candle. Okay, 11:35 candle. So once this candle was broken out in the up direction, so then I have placed the entry at this candle high. Okay, 852.50. Actually 60 is the high, but I placed it at 50, and I placed the SL below this candle low. Okay, so this candle low is 850.75. I just placed it at 850.5. Okay, so as expected, I just did try to take the support from there, but since we have the resistance at 857 to 859 zone, so buyers had no strength to take out the resistance. Okay, they had to take out this resistance. Okay, that is not happening till now. That the price is struggling to break that resistance, which is 859.40. Okay, just I was expecting to hit 860.5, so which will give us to 1:4 trade. That's not happening. You could see again here it came back and hit the 852.5 and moved above. Okay, here. So at 12:10 again it came and hit the 851.5 and moved above. But in this time it did not make the new high. So instead it made the high till 855.5. Okay, so which is below the previous swing high, which is at 856, at around 857. Okay, so this time it is 856. So I just thought, okay, if price again comes and hit 851.5, and close around that level, just I thought of exiting at cost, which is at 852.5, if our SL is not taken out. Okay. This this time it did not come to 851.5. Okay. I just trying to take the support at 852.50. The reason for the exiting this trade is not only the stock, but also you could see in the Nifty. Nifty also, you could see Nifty also has the resistance zone, which is around 23,000, right? So after this moment, from after that 11:35 to 11:50 or around 12 o'clock, so it was supposed to break that 23,000. Okay, then it would have come back to 95 to 22,955, and then it should have taken the support from there. Okay, so this could have happened. From here, move like this and take support here and move like this. Okay, so this is what I was expecting. Okay, but that did not happen. You could see instead of this action, okay, so still 22,955 is holding. Okay, so price is not able to break this level itself. Okay, so still it had to break 23,000, which is not happening. So what I thought is that, okay, price comes below 22,900, okay, which is the resistance level. So if it had come below this level in this time here, I thought of exiting in the stock. Okay, stock had given 1:2 trade because okay, so once it makes the new swing high, which is at 855 now. Okay, so let me delete this. Okay, so after hitting here, made the high till here. Okay, which is at 855 now. So once price hit this level, it should break and continue to move in the up direction without coming back to this level, which is 852.5. Okay, so once price hits 855, okay, so what I will do is that I will move on my SL to this low, which is 852. Okay, I'll hold the stock with 0.5 SL. Okay, at least it will save 1.5 rupees. Because once it gains the momentum. Okay, so how do we know that there is momentum? It will start making a new swing higher, new intraday higher, new intraday lower, new swing low. So these kind of things tells us that, okay, price is getting some momentum. Okay, so after that momentum, so price has to continue in that particular direction. Okay, so otherwise what happens, uh, there they will get the some rejection from those levels. Okay, so if it is at swing high, they will get the sellers means resistance. If it is at swing low, it will get some support. Okay, so from there some reaction may come and they can reverse the trend. Okay? So so till now it was making lower low. Okay, so all swing highs you could see that it was below its previous swing high. Okay, so after this, after 11:55, it made a next swing high around this level 12:50. That is below the its previous swing high, and again this swing high you could see, which is below its previous swing high. Okay, so this time what happened that it has broken that. Okay, it has broken that, and also you could see it's gaining the momentum now. So for us, we have now what I will do is that since it also makes the new this swing high also has broken that, right? So now I will move my sell to the cost. Okay, so let me move my sell to the cost. Okay. 852.5. Okay, so just I will directly move my sell. Now I'm holding the stock with cost to cost SL now. Uh, Uh, we'll see what happens. So if it gets rejected around 858.5 or 859.5, uh, and you'll see what's happening in the Nifty also. So Nifty is trying to break its resistance. Okay, that's why maybe Bajajfinance also gaining the momentum now. Let me show the Nifty action. Okay. You could see here, Nifty is trying to break the resistance now. Okay, if it is successfully able to break this, we may get the breakout in our stock also. Okay, so we see what happens. Since we are placed our SL at cost, either let it hit our target, which is at go back. 860. Okay, so 860, 860.5. So 860.5 will be our target. Okay, let me change this candle. Sorry, line to 860. 860.5. Okay, so this will give us 1:4 reward. Okay, so uh, since our SL is 2 points, we need at least 8 points, right? So 52.5 to 60.5. So it will give us 1:4 trade. In case if it again get rejected and try to fall below this level, which is the last time in the sellers entered. Okay, here 854.5. Okay, so actually so price was getting resistance from here, right? Actually, let's see. So 855.65. Okay, because last time the recent sellers were there at this level, which is at 855.65. If in case price get rejected from here and try to fall below 850.65, maybe we will just exit with 1:1. It will give 1:1.5 or something like that. Okay, so if you get chance, we will exit at 55.5. So otherwise, just we'll hold it. We'll hold it till 860.5 because it's a breakout trade. If breakout really happens, actually it can move beyond 860.5 also. Since our aim is 1:4, we will just close whatever we get. Okay, so we will just close with 1:4 only reward. So otherwise, we will see what else can happen. Okay, if it falls below 855.65, this level. Hello friends. You could see the rejection from this 857.3 level. Okay, so you could see it had also closed below our resistance level, which is 855.5. I'm just waiting for this candle. Okay, next candle. If this candle also close below this one, which is 850. So if this candle also, the present candle also, if it close below 855.65, I will exit at 855.5. So which will give 1:1.5 reward. So otherwise, I have placed my target at 856.5, which will give 1:2. Okay. See, you could see. So it has closed below this level. So I will just exit at 855.5. Okay. So here we have exited now. Okay. Since with this we will get 1:1.5. Okay, so 2 points was our risk, and we got 3 points, which will give 1:1.5 now. Okay.